Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a specialized panel removal tool. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the windows are fully lowered for easier access and safety. It's also a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to avoid any electrical issues while working. This initial preparation saves time and prevents damage during the process. Next, you'll need to locate and remove various fasteners. Start by carefully prying off the small triangular trim piece near the mirror, often held by clips. Then, gently remove the window switch panel, usually by prying it up, and disconnect any electrical connectors. Look for screws or bolts, typically 7mm or 10mm, hidden behind the door handle, armrest, and other trim covers. Use your screwdrivers and socket wrench to remove these, keeping them organized to prevent loss. Once all visible fasteners are removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. Start at a lower corner and work your way around the edges, releasing the plastic clips that hold it in place. Pull the panel straight out to avoid breaking these clips. After all clips are free, gently lift the entire door panel upwards to unhook it from the window ledge, allowing it to separate from the door. With the door panel partially detached, you'll find it still connected by wires and cables. Carefully disconnect the door handle cable by pressing its retaining tabs and rotating the cable end out of its housing. Next, unplug all electrical connectors for components like speakers, power windows, and door locks. These usually have small locking tabs that need to be pressed. Take your time to avoid damaging any wiring. And for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.